In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to free up 50 GB disk space for software and Steam games. If your drive is getting full and you need room for a new program or a new game install, one of the fastest ways to recover space is by removing Steam games you are no longer using. This is especially helpful if you have several large titles installed, since modern games can take up a surprising amount of storage. In many cases, uninstalling just one or two games can easily free up 50 gigabytes or much more. To get started, open Steam and go to your library. This is the section where all of your installed and owned games are listed. Once you're there, take a moment to look through the games you have installed and identify anything you haven't played in a while. If you're trying to free up space quickly, it makes sense to focus on games you know you won't be launching anytime soon. Next, right-click on any unused game you want to remove. From the menu that appears, choose Manage and then select Uninstall. Steam will ask you to confirm the action before removing the game from your computer. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. Repeat the same process for any other games you no longer need installed. A useful thing to keep in mind here is that uninstalling a game from Steam usually does not remove it from your account. It simply removes the local files from your drive, which means you can reinstall the game later if you decide to play it again. That makes this a safe and practical way to create space without permanently losing access to your games. Large games are where you'll see the biggest results. Some titles can free up tens of gigabytes on their own, and in some cases even hundreds, depending on the game and any downloaded content attached to it. So if your goal is to recover at least 50 gigabytes, prioritize the largest and least used games first. That will give you the best return with the fewest uninstallations. Once you've finished removing the games you don't need, you should have a healthier amount of free disk space available for software installs, updates, or new Steam games. This is one of the quickest and simplest storage cleanup methods, and it only takes a few minutes to do. If you need space fast, Steam Library Cleanup is a great place to start.